Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be learning how to make scrambled eggs. We put the entire egg in the bowl. Like that. So after you've got your egg in the bowl, you want to take a fork or something, and just kind of mix it up a little bit. Alright, sufficiently mixed, I think. After you've got it mixed, you want to get a pan. Oh, that's a real pan. You want to make sure your stove is the highest it can possibly be so it heats up a lot quicker. While that's warming up, I'm going to give these one last mix because you want to make sure any little bits of shell or anything does not get in the food that you're going to be eating and physically ingesting. So that would really suck if you had any shell in there. So is it hot? I don't know. We'll see. Let's see. Oh, wow. Yes, that is very warm to the touch. Let's go ahead and just dump these bad boys in here. Boom. This is the perfect scrambled egg recipe for any beginners out there that don't know how to cook. Here you go. Alright, so now we got to get our little spatula thing. They're kind of humming at me. They're vibrating. They're purring like a cat. So I think it's time to maybe flip these bad boys over and see how they're looking. Perfect so far, actually. Now, for this specific recipe, you need to wait until they are completely burned, like black and on fire. So we're gonna still let that sit for a little bit. If they're golden and perfect, and white and yellow, no. Okay, that's not how you make eggs. People even say take out the shell. I don't know what these millennials are talking about. Okay, no, that's not how we do it around here. We eat the entire egg. We want all the protein. We don't want half of it, dude. Most of the protein is actually in the egg shell. So now it looks sort of like a pancake-like substance, which is just about perfect. Put it on our little plate, and we are good. Use the same fork we used to stir the raw egg, because reduce, reuse, recycle. Let's go. We're gonna try to get a chunk with the most shell possible on it. Yum. Let's go. Oh! Eggshell gets very hot. I'm gonna go throw up, and I will be back with more content very soon. Take it easy, fam. Peace out.